In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view recently installed applications on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select apps on the left panel. And then on the right side, select installed apps at the top. And then over here on the right where it says filter by, click the drop down and you can select your drive you want to look up apps for. Click the drop down and you can select the date installed, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.